Good morning. My name is Mata Bompito. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Hospitality and Tourism. Today we are at Ritson Hall. We have an event that is an awareness about pregnancy. We've realized that there's a problem with students falling pregnant and not being able to complete their studies or it affecting their studies. We wanted to address this. We invited a medical doctor. We have someone from the DUT clinic, someone from Gender Forum, CALT, and Insika Men's Network to address our male students there.
Late night study sessions, truth or myth? Thank you, very good.
In most instances as an HOT, I always face questions when a student is pregnant and people say no, this should be done to the female student. The next question is what about the male student who is also impregnated with the female student? It's quite a very sensitive topic.